Hi guys and welcome back to Tarot Page Philippines. So gawin natin ang weekly horoscope for March 3 to 9 para po sa may Sun, Moon, and Rising na Sagittarius. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. If you don't know your Sun, Moon, Rising, importante siya. Sa end ng video, may link tayo dito. Now, readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. And invite po kayo na maging member by clicking the join button sa baba para magkaroon kayo ng access sa ating mga exclusive extended reading videos. Additional perks are also provided. Now, kung kailangan nyo po ng private readings or spell works, message us in our Facebook page. Link is in the description. May admin po tayo tutulong sa inyo. And donations po can be sent using the heart or yung thanks button sa baba. Ending nun magiging cat food siya. So, Sagittarius, kamusta ka na ba? So, we have here the Four of Swords and Loyal Heart. Alam mo, tawag dito, isa sa mga kilala ko na, isa sa mga friends ko who is a Sagittarius, Sun and Sagittarius, is a loyal friend. And of course, binabalik ko din yung loyalty din naman. Now, it's time that you become loyal to another person. Actually, two persons. Two persons. Dalawang tao. Dalawang tao. The first one is to yourself. And the second one is either a partner na binigay sa ng universe or a potential partner. Yes, so medyo doon tayo ikot sa relationship. Mukhang medyo doon mapupunta to. Nakikinikita ko na. So, andoon na kasi, why with yourself? Kasi, you need to be true. Hindi yung tipo, oh yes, andoon na we will be changing. Magbabago tayo para sa ibang tao. Especially kung yung pagbabagong yun, na nakikita natin gagawin natin, or sinasuggest sa atin, is maganda. Magbe-benefit tayo. Mag-i-improve tayo. We will be better. Things will be good for us. However, andun din na, we will also need to be true to ourselves. May yung mga ideologies natin na alam natin na nagbe-benefit tayo. We need to stand by it. Now, may doon papasok na tinatawag na point of compromise. Kumbaga, in what we call is respect na ito yung spear na sabihin natin na mahilig kang kumain ng I don't know, sabihin natin ng patatas, ganyan. But the person doesn't want, hindi siya mahilig sa patatas. So, andun yung point na, yung gano'n ng point of compromise na, of course, i-respect niya yung mga ganong bagay tungkol sa'yo. And gano'n din, kung may iba siyang gusto, then na alam mo naman din nakakasama sa kanya, then we respect it. Kahit sabihin natin hindi natin gusto, pero it does not bring any damage to the person, wala naman problema siguro doon. We need to make sure na meron tayong level of compromise pa din. So, yes, you need to be loyal to yourself and then loyal to the either ipapadalang tao o yung taong nasa buhay mo na. Now, what's crossing you? So, we have here the Knight of Swords and Serendipity. Okay. Yun lang. Siguro, as a Sagittarius, ayan, tinatawag natin, besides sa House of Philosophy and Higher Learning, ayun, gala. So, a lot of Sagittarius that I know, talagang may Sun, Moon at Rising. Medyo, masabi yung kasabihan na may nunal sa paa. So, it's also, yan, although it's a part of you na talagang yun yung nararamdaman mong gusto mong ginagawa, mag-discover ng new places, seeing new things in life. Pero andun din na, sabi nga, anything na sobra is a form of addiction and it's also bad. So the course is advising na you need to also level down. Travel is good, yes, kasi the world is created para i-admire natin, makita natin, at ma-appreciate natin. Pero, kailangan mo din magpahinga. Mukhang, continuation ng last week mo. Kailangan mo din magpahinga. Magkaroon ka din ng moment to give yourself the chance to breathe, to relax, to enjoy yung quiet moments. Andun kasi na Yes, madami kang ginagawa, given yon, madami kang responsibilities. Pero kailangan mo din na isipin na meron kang responsibility. Maging loyal ka din sa sarili mo. Your body, may limit yan. So, siguro take it as a reminder na kapag yung alam mong kailangan mo nang magpahinga muna or to take a meal, gawin mo. Huwag mong hayaan na ma-exhaust ka. Kasi my fear is that na yung kapag yung tipong hapong-hapo ka, ay ibang dating yun. Naranasan ko siya just a few days ago na after yung mga ginagawa ko, nung umupo ko sa kama, pahiga, naramdaman ko nanginginig ako sa pagod. So, don't allow that to happen. Yeah. Still kasi ako sa Sagittarius, kaya medyo, yun. So, for the gala din talaga ako. Now, yung, desire card mo is the Two of Pentacles and Orphan. You know what? Setting things into balance is very important. Yun naman yung nahanap mo eh. Ano lang talaga, na minsan, yung nagre-recruit ka ng help or nanghihingi ka ng help, minsan talaga hindi natin may iwasan na may mga tao na hindi magets yung sinasabi natin. Parang ilang beses mo na in-explain, para mga 3.5 times mo na siya in-explain, pero hindi pa rin magets. Huwag ka mapipikon agad doon. Remember, keep in mind na hindi tayo magkakapareho ng level ng pagkakaintindi. Hindi tayo pare-pareho na sharp ang pag-iisip. May mga tao, sabihin natin na, hindi natin siya dinadown sila, pero may mga tao kasi na hindi ganon kabilis ang pag-pick up nila. Dito papasok yung although yes, mas gusto mo na, di ba pwedeng medyo matatalino yung kasama mo, mabilis mag-isip. Doon din na sinasabi ng cards na they are also part of your world. And sila yung tutulong sa'yo to also have patience, to also learn what is understanding, what is acceptance. Sorry. Sabi na ako bigla, may nakaalala. Tingin nga number. Comment nyo nga. Ano kaya yan? So, na learn from them as well. Medyo malabo talagang matatalino na yung kasama mo. Talaga, may ibibigay ang universe sa'yo na mga ganong tao so that you could also learn how to accept them. Your foundation is the Chariot and all that glitters. Alam mo, huwag ka mabubulagan na parang, parang family na kami, or we are good, or maganda yung samahan namin. Huwag mo masyadong ilagay yung hopes mo sa ganon. Andun kasi with this card, may mga tao ka na tinrato mo na parang pamilya. Hindi mo kadugo Mga trato mo na parang pamilya, pero sa bandang huli, masakit man yung word na gamitin, pero na-traitor ka. Although andoon na ginamit mo siya as a learning curve na hindi mo nahahayaang mangyari yon, pero andoon na meron ka pa ring parte na gusto mong sumubok ulit, gusto mong mag-try, gusto mong sumugal ulit. Be careful this time. Andoon na pinapaalala ng card sa'yo na look at the red flags. Kapag may red flags dyan, that means hindi yan piyesta. Isa po yung warning. Hindi rin po yan carnival, yung red flags. It's a warning. And generally, pag sinabing red, it means to stop. So, stop ka na kapag napas, yung prominent sa'yo, we have here is the Ten of Cups and also regeneration. Okay. Yun na nga. Andun kasi, ang dami sa inyo na you had a positive mindset lang. Na, okay, sige, ganito yung mga bagay, pinipilit mong maging, positive yung outlook mo sa life. Pinipilit mo na maging maganda yung disposition mo na kahit hindi maganda yung nangyayari, andoon pa din yung mindset mo, no, better days will come na parang, okay, andun yung, okay lang yan, babawi next time, yung mga ganong linya. That is a good mindset. Pero andun kasi, anything na, so yun nga, anything na sobra kasi masama eh. Nagiging, may term na ganun eh, toxic positivity. Na kahit hindi na maganda, pinipilit pa rin maging positive yung mindset. Which is dapat, at that point, is hinaharap na, ano ba yung naging pagkakamali? Ano ba yung hindi naging maganda? What went wrong? Yun yung dapat ina-address. Oo, tama na we are looking at things na magkaroon tayo ng positive mindset. We're looking at things na from a positive point of view. Pero, andun pa rin, huwag natin i-neglect na meron tayo tinatawag na negative aspect. And those negative aspect, tignan mo siya as a room for improvement. Kaya nga sabi tayo negative, pag sabi negative, ay mali, ay pangit. So, ibig sabihin, kung mali siya, may chance na pwede siyang itama. Kung pangit siya, may chance na pwede itong pagandahin. Okay? Now, your possible future, we have here is the 5 of Cups and flexibility. Okay, so possible future na ikaw, andoon na, tutuloy mo pa rin naman yung pagiging, pagiging gala mo. Yung may nunal sa talampakan. So, pinapala sa'yo ng cards dito na may mga possible ka mga important connections na medyo, when say connection, pwedeng friends, families, loved ones, na ma-neglect mo. Commitments and promises na medyo malimutan mo. So, the cards are advising na it's time that you give chance na mag-focus ka din doon. Bigyan mo ng chance yung sarili mo na makabawi ka doon. Kasi, at the end of the day, ang important, there are things that are important in life na hindi tungkol din sa material, nor hindi din tungkol sa pera. So, this is where the cards wants you to also focus. Although, yes, babawi at babawi ka, pero kasi at the risk ng health mo. So, be balanced din doon. If, again, pinapala ng cards, if you need to rest, pahinga ka din. Hindi yung laban tayo ng laban. May laban tayo, yes. May responsibility tayo, yes. But you also have a strong responsibility and duty towards your body. Now, kung nakaka-resonate ka sa readings, in-invite kita na maging member by clicking the join button para magkaroon ka pa ng access sa ating extended readings and also sa additional perks. So, tuloy natin muna yung reading mo for now. So, we have here yung physical surroundings mo or physical environment. The 7 of Pentacles and new life. Ayan. Ay, nakakatuwa lang. So, hindi ko alam kung para sa lahat, but it could be specific for some individuals. Now, it's either meron kayong hinaharap na certain na kaso or may kakala kayo na may kaso o andoon na you might be involved directly or indirectly. Well, andun yung point na calm yourself, sabi ng cards. Kasi matatapos na to. Andun yung point that things will be in favor para sa'yo. And andun na pinapakita din ng cards na yung mga taong to, let's say sila yung mga, sorry for the term, mga walang kwenta, mga pa-victim. So, ayaw mo silang magpakasasa sa pagiging delulo nila. But at the end of the day, mahuhulit din sila sa mga kabulastugan nila. Lalabas din yung tunay nilang mga kulay. At, well, karma is always there. Ang karma ay mahilig yan maningil in the most unexpected way. So, andun na the card is advising sa'yo na, well, mo lang sila. Just do what you need to do. And then, papabor naman sa'yo yung mga bagay. So, kalma ka lang. Now, your emotional environment is the 9 of Pentacles and the card of by the book. Ayan na nga. Iba sa inyo kasi, babalik tayo doon ulit, doon sa partnership. Doon na pinapala ng cards na to na, yung iba sa inyo may mga nag-iipon pa lang. You want something na, to have a deeper connection. Yung deeper connection nyo is maging mas memorable kapag pinalalim siya talaga. Now, yung cards nandito pinapakita na with the card of by the book, may mga gusto kang gawin na hindi conventional to show your appreciation, to show your love, to show you care for a person. Do it. Kasi kulang na yung mundo natin ng mga ganong klaseng mga acts of love. Siguro share ko, one of the acts of love na ginawa ko was madaling araw, landline pa nun, wala pa masyadong cellphone, so alam niyo, matanda na ako. Yung partner ko, nag-uusap kami sa phone, nagugutom daw siya at around 1 a.m. Isipin mo SM North, siya sa may SM Fairview. Sabi ko sa kanya, may gawin lang ako, I'll call you back. After siguro mga an hour, tumawag ako, may caller ID sila. Sabi niya, bakit gamit mo yung cellphone mo? Sabi ko, buksan mo yung gate. Sabi ko, daming aso. I got out of my way, bumili ako ng food, tapos dinala ko sa kanya. Nung natapos siya kumain, umuwi na ako. Unconventional way of showing love is very important. Kasi tumatatak yun eh. Actually, kahit wala na kami ngayon, tumatak sa kanya yung ginawa kong yun kasi wala na may ibang gumawa nun. So, if you are being driven by the universe na gawin yung mga bagay na yun, something different, something unique, please do so. Kasi the impact that you will show, the energy that you will release in the form of that action is very powerful. Especially kung sa partner mo gagawin. Now, your hopes and fears is the 5 of Pentacles and the co-create. Bakit may mga ikakasal? So, invite nyo naman din ako. So, what I'm seeing here, there are certain, may mga iba na parang na-delay lang yung pag-iisang dibdib nyo due to certain matters na hindi nyo na kontrolado. So, that's not a problem kasi may timing naman para doon. Sabi nga ni King Solomon, Ecclesiastes chapter 3 verse 1, there's a time for everything. Ayan. So, it will come. And andun na kasi na parang yun na lang hinihintay nyo eh. Yung mag-tie kayo ng knot and make it official, make it legal. So, yeah, very soon na to. Because it's already your hope. While your possible future is the star and higher power. Ito na nga, di ba, going back to sa unconventional, hindi lang ito para sa partner nyo, but there will be also actions that you'll be doing that will be based on your intuition. Yung mga tipong naramdaman nyo ito yung kailangan nyong gawin, or feeling nyo kailangan nyong kontakin si ganito, magkakaroon kayo in the next few days or weeks or months, gawin nyo. Kasi this will allow you para magkaroon kayo ng better and deeper connection with those individuals. Alam mo, tawag dito, magmumukhang weird pag ginawa mo, pero at the end, meron tong deeper reason bakit ginagawa ng universe yun. At ikaw yung ilalagay ng universe for that. So, I hope nakatulong yung reading sa'yo. Those readings are for guidance purposes. Use your free will wisely. If you're new, subscribe, like, and share. Meron tayong cards para sa iyo. Extended readings. Para ma-access po, i-click nyo lang po yung join button sa baba so that you can be a member. Para po naman sa mga naghahanap ng private readings and spellworks, message us sa Facebook page natin. Link is in the description and an admin will help you. For donations na nagiging cat food po, i-click nyo po yung heart o yung thanks button sa baba. So, Sagittarius, maraming salamat. God bless, Master Hare Krishna, blessed be, and hope to see you in our next reading. Mula po dito sa Dominican Hill in Baguio City. Have a great day and I'll see you soon.